Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am R. Shivakumar, Principal, AP Model School, Bhamini, Parvatipuram, Manyam District. Today, I will explain about what is goal setting, what are the most important characteristics of goal setting. గోల్ సెట్టింగ్ అంటే లక్ష్యాన్ని ఏర్పరచుకోవడం. దాని క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ అంటే ఒక లక్ష్యాన్ని ఏర్పరచుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ లక్ష్యానికి ఉండవలసినటువంటి లక్షణాలు ఏమిటి, దాన్ని మనం క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ అంటాం. వాటి గురించి మనం ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుందాం. నౌ లెట్ us see the definition of goal setting. Goal setting is the process of defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives that an individual or organization aims to achieve. It involves identifying the desired outcomes and developing a plan for achieving them. In SMART goals, first characteristic is specific. Your goal should be more specific. You have to have clarity on your goal. For example, your goal is to become a doctor. It is not more specific. Which doctor you want to become? Whether you want to become a veterinary doctor, or you want to become a dentist, or you want to become a MBBS doctor, you must have a clear picture in your mind. This is called specific. అంటే మన లక్ష్యం ఎప్పుడూ కూడా ఖచ్చితత్వం కలిగి ఉండాలి. Second characteristic, measurable. Our goal should be measurable. Your long-term goal, it should be converted into short-term goals. You have to have weekly, monthly plans to achieve your goal. For example, you wanted to reduce your weight 10 kgs in next 5 months. So monthly, your reduction should be 2 kgs. You have to plan accordingly. Third characteristic, achievable. It should be possible to achieve. Your goal should be possible to achieve. Of course, everything is possible if you work hard. But in that particular situation, just think that whether it is possible or not. అంటే మనం కష్టపడితే దేన్నైనా సాధించగలము అని మనం చెప్పొచ్చు. కానీ ఆ పర్టిక్యులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో అది మనకి సాధ్యమా కాదా అనేది కూడా మనం ఆలోచించుకోవాలి. అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్, రియలిస్టిక్. It should be very near to reality. One should analyze themselves about their strengths, weaknesses, obstructions, interests. Then only you can set the goal. For example, a person is having color blindness, which is not curable, and he wanted to become a pilot. It is not realistic, because color blindness is not at all acceptable for pilots. Last characteristic, time bound. Time bound, within what time you are going to achieve this goal. You have a clarity on this. Once again, characteristics of SMART goals. In SMART goals, S stands for specific. Clearly state your goal. M stands for measurable. Ensure you can measure success. A stands for attainable or achievable, you can say. Set your goals you know you can achieve. Fourth one, R stands for relevant or realistic. Set goals relevant to your career or education. Fifth one, time bound. Set a deadline for completion. Hope you all understand. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone.